get you out of town, Javier.
What you said about the last place?
You know, I'm getting a little sick of your attitude. You almost got me killed. No, you almost got yourself killed. I didn't get you into this mess, you did. I'm the one that's trying to get you out of it. You know what? You want to leave? How about you take your chances out there in the real world, huh? You don't want my help. You want to be a pain in the ass. How about you go out there and see if you can make it, all right? Otherwise, I suggest you shut your mouth and be grateful you're still alive. What?
Funny. That looked like Javier Rojas, but I know that can't be him because I ordered you to cut him loose.
He's got a contract on his head, boss.
Just like the last time we talked.